Okay, so a lot of people have been asking me, Valko, how do you do this? How do you dab? You know, I've seen you dab, of course. You dab all the time. You're super hip. You're super epic. But how? I tried dabbing. Did not work. My hands, they did just not do the thing. It's not hip. I got laughed at. I got ridiculed for trying to dab on these fools. So I was thinking, what if I made a dab tutorial? Just a tutorial where I show all of you how to dab. Because, well, what are you going to do in your life if you can't dab? How can you dab on your haters? Okay, step one. Check if you have two arms. If you don't have two arms, you cannot perform the dab. So if you're either missing an arm or are armless, click off this video now if you're actually able to. Okay, so actually telling you how to do the dabs very hard because it's a very complicated maneuver. I have put a picture on the screen that shows you how to do the dab, so just follow those instructions, and later in the video I will just tell you some tips and tricks about how to do the dab. Now here we have the actual question, when should you dab? Well, there are two ways to dab. You have the celebration dab and you have the intimidation dab. Let's start with the simpler and more socially accepted one, the celebration dab. So when you get an epic victory royale in Fortnite, you just do the dab and everybody thinks you're super cool like me. The intimidation dab is a bit more complicated. So when your bully comes up to you and starts bullying you and saying, hey fat kid, you suck and your glasses suck and I hate you, you stand up and you dab on him, he will get so intimidated that he will get scared and run off and probably, I don't know, kill himself or something, just cry in a corner. That happens when you do the dab. Don't feel guilty. If you dab on someone, it's in self-defense, and that defense will hold up in court. So now you know the in and outs of dabbing and when to do it. Stay tuned for my next video where I tell you how to romantically dab on your partner.